The Ripple CEO is reacting to the $1 billion XRP treasury backed by SBI, Pantera Capital, and Kraken. So we recently talked about this news on our channel. Make sure you guys are locked in, subscribed here, and locked in here for the remainder of 2025 and especially into 2026, where we expect a lot of this type of news to come out. So make sure you guys are locked in here if you're not yet already. You definitely don't want to miss anything we're putting out here on the channel. But the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, confirms support for Evernorth. This is a new XRP focused vehicle planning to raise more than $1 billion and list themselves on the NASDAQ through a merger with Armada Acquisition Corporation. And according to the announcement, the deal is expected to close in Q1 of 2026, with the combined company trading under the ticker XRPN. David Schwartz has recently announced that he is joining Evernorth as well. And so these digital treasury companies continue to pile up, whether we're talking about Bitcoin, which started this whole thing, or now Ethereum and XRP. This is a great sign that the bullish momentum is still moving forward. A lot of people eyeing Q1 2026 to be a phenomenal quarter for crypto yet again. So I wanted to get into some of the specifics of what this means for XRP. If you hold the asset, don't go anywhere. Stick around until the end. A lot of great stuff here. Let's dive in and let me share my screen with you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at here. And we'll zoom into this a little bit. So Evernorth will use the net proceeds mainly to acquire XRP directly on the open market. This is going to be extremely bullish for XRP, which, by the way, has been climbing here in the last week. Nice V-shaped recovery here since dumping down to 220. We're back up to 252 right now, looking really, really solid, up about 5% on the day. Just got a nice little pop in the price here within the last hour or so. Things are looking very, very good on that end. We'll come back to that later, but Brad Garlinghouse issued this statement earlier today. Ashish and team are building something special with Evernorth XRP. We're proud to partner with him and proud to join an incredible set of investors, including SBI Holdings, Pantera Capital, Kraken, amongst some others as well, in order to support Evernorth as it participates in the institutional adoption of XRP. So the $1 billion initiative is not tied to Ripple alone, as the fundraising is led by Japanese SBI Group with a $200 million commitment. Other investors, again, include Pantera Capital, Kraken, GSR, and RippleWorks. Ripple co-founder Chris Larson is in the mix as well. Ripple itself is a strategic investor, while Garlinghouse Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderati and CTO David Schwartz are all going to be advisors here. Schwartz made it public today about this. So what are the benefits for XRP if you're owning the asset today? Evernorth CEO Ashish Birla, who is a former Ripple exec, wants the firm to be seen as an active treasury, aiming to expand XRP shares via institutional lending, liquidity, and DeFi strategies as well. And according to him, the model is designed to generate returns for shareholders while contributing to XRP adoption. So Ripple will still be running the show, but it's planning to get more involved in the XRP eco to make business more streamlined. Board approvals have been secured at both firms. If it goes ahead, it will be the first public company dedicated to accumulating and deploying XRP on a large scale. So I wanted to get into specifically the price of XRP. We'll take a look at that here momentarily. But I did want to tell you all a little bit about the great offer we've got going on right now in our Inner Circle private membership. Full portfolio access, private Discord community, my buy and sell alerts. Watch me build a new crypto portfolio from scratch. We've already added multiple assets there. Live calls every Friday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern. And you're going to get tons of value here. So definitely check out the link down below to the Patreon if you're looking to level up your investment game. Guys, the Patreon right now, 66 cents per day is what we're getting. I mean, people are charging out the wazoo and not giving you the value we're giving you. So if you're looking for a great community offline here, off of YouTube, come over and check us out. Definitely top link in the description. I'll pin it as the top comment for you guys to reference as well. definitely check that out. So I mentioned the XRP price looking phenomenal right now. Let's dive into it a little bit deeper here, take a closer look. As you guys can see on the 1 hour, some amazing price action. We got the momentum up signal here on Saturday back at 235. And look at this. Our chart was just printing, some great gains here from that point. We're up about 7%, right? Doesn't seem like much, but it's only 2 days, since our momentum up printed on the 1 hour. XT Algo, our trading software, was all over this. If you are a heavy trader, you're looking to level up, we've got XT Algo. We've got everything for you. If you're looking for a trading indicator, we built that out in 2023. You're looking for a private community, you're looking to see the moves that I'm making, we've got the Patreon. All that stuff's down below. But XRP's chart, big V-shaped recovery here starting on Friday where we bottomed out down here at 220, as we mentioned. Looking really, really good here. Now, our short-term time frames are a buy signal on our 10-day. Okay, we are above our 10-day moving average. We're getting closer to some of these longer-term time frames. So still looking bearish on the longer-term stuff, but not too bearish. If you come down to the 200-day moving average, our EMA is at 261, our SMA is at 259. Recapturing 262 would be a very, very important figure to hit. Then we'd be really in a bullish scenario, reclaiming that 200-day moving average. So we'll continue to watch that very closely. If we look at the RSI, guys, we are getting a little bit heated up on the RSI. Expect maybe a potential little pullback here before we continue upwards. Wouldn't be shocking if we come back down a little bit in the short term, just to have, I think, a really, really nice run up at some point here in Q4 or Q1 of 2026. We come out to the daily. We are making a nice V-shaped recovery here on the daily too. Good daily candle here today. Maybe go test that 200-day moving average as we did back here after the flash crash. We got rejected, came back down to 220. Here's to hoping we come back up to this 261, 262 zone and break through it. Then we could be talking about a $3 XRP yet again, right? Which is, of course, the first step in where we want to go and where we want to take this from here. So overall, market's looking pretty good. XRP's up, as we mentioned, good amount today. One of the top gainers in the top 10. In fact, it is the top gainer right now in the top 10. So that's good to see. Bitcoin hovering right now, right around 111,000. Ethereum right around that 4K mark. Things are looking pretty healthy here to open up the week. Flattening out a little bit since early this morning. Things were looking very good early this morning. Flattening out a little bit here, but still trending in the right direction to start the week. Solana is up slightly up here at 190. And we do have some top gainers. Floki up here thanks to Elon Musk and his post today. Zcash continues to be one of the leaders. Chainlink seeing a nice little price appreciation as well. So that's what we've got right now happening around XRP. And this is a big, big storyline as Brad Garlinghouse reacting to the $1 billion XRP treasury that is coming under Evernorth. Again, some huge backing here as well from some major players, SBI Holdings, Pantera, and Kraken amongst the few that are involved. So we'll be on top of this news, all the news for you. Make sure you guys are locked in. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. We'll see you on the inside over at the Patreon. Appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.